other than having friends in the business, Tammy, as you alluded to, what are some cost saving tips for renovations? Any couple top tips for both of you, or either of you that want to take that one?
Well,
Tammy?
I have one little pet peeve,
Okay.
and it's kind of funny because I talk about it all the time, and that is lint. I think lint is our nemesis, and I think that I don't know of a laundromat, for the most part, that doesn't experience some kind of free-floating lint in their laundry, and it actually has to do with where the vents exhaust and where the intake comes in on the roof. And so one of the biggest things that I recommend that people do when they remodel and they go up there is to actually look at the makeup air and the combustion air and behind your dryers and find out if you have lint getting sucked back into your laundromat from the roof, how to prevent that. And then in order to make sure that you have the right combustion and makeup air behind your dryers, I recommend people put either vents or fans, small exhaust fans, at the access doors behind your dryers. And I put them on a timer, and I put them on pretty much, I don't know, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., about 80% of the time. And I have fresh air sucked in from the laundromat into behind the dryers. And little two things here. The makeup air is everything around the dryers, and the combustion air is right behind the dryers. But this will actually feed more air to the back of those dryers, and those dryers won't be sucking as much because dryers only know air and oxygen and gas. If it doesn't get oxygen, it'll burn gas. If it gets the oxygen, it'll burn less gas. You could, for probably about $100 investment, you could probably save $200 to $300 a month on your gas bill by feeding more fresh air behind your dryers. So that's one of the key things I talk to people about when they're remodeling, or even when I go to their stores. I do the lint test. I find out the lint and find out what's going on, and try to figure out how to A, prevent the lint from coming in, but B, fix the makeup air and combustion air behind the dryers.
That's great. That's great stuff, and it's certainly cost saving, and it's also a safety issue as well.
Yes, it is.
So, Tammy, any cost saving renovation tips that you've learned during the last few years?
Well, I think for us, again, I still do have my 9 to 5. So for the most part, I'm using my my play money to kind of fund our renovations. He uses his additional money as well. So we have, money that comes into the house, and then the additional money is kind of used to fund the renovations. Again, it hasn't been probably as steep of a bill that I thought it was going to be. Being able to still make money. I mean, you still have money that the laundromat is making, so you're able to use that money and kind of feed it back into the business instead of taking it out, which I always recommend people doing. But I also think if that's not an option for you, just doing things slowly, because you don't want to become so in debt that your laundromat, you'll never be able to make up that money. Or it's going to take you so long to make up that money that you're putting in, and it just doesn't make sense financially for the business or for you. And I tell people that all the time. Like, I have friends that are looking to do it, and I'm like, the laundromat that you're looking at, you're just going to have to put so much money into it. Is it really going to make, is it going to make you that money back? And what's going to be the time frame that you're going to make that money back? Right. So those are really the big things. I always say, take it slow, make sure that it's financially viable for you. And then you're not just like, I just have to do it, I have to do it, because then you get into a situation where you're just digging yourself deeper and deeper into debt in a new business that you're, especially for people who are new to the business, new to the industry, that you're not aware of.
Right. No, that's a good point. And certainly sometimes you need to be patient with it, and you can't go as fast as maybe you'd like to, but that's probably the smart call. Yeah, no, that's great, Tammy.